Hi, how are you? Okay, so today I'm going to read products and natural resources for the Northeast region. So again, I'm going to start with reading the questions. I'll go through, read the text, and then we'll go ahead and do the questions one more time. Again, friendly reminder, this is a video, so please stop, rewind, forward, whatever you need. Okay. All right. So question number 1 says the Northeast region has very few forests. Do you think that is true or false? Number 2, the Northeast region has many rivers and waterfalls. Do you think that's true or false? Number 3, the soil in parts of the Northeast is very rocky. Do you think that's true or false? Remember, this is just a guess. You might know it, you might not. The point is that after we're done reading, you will definitely know that. Okay, let's go ahead down to the short answer questions. You have 3. Number 1, what kinds of foods are grown in the Northeast region? So we're looking for the variety of foods that are listed. Number 2, what is aquaculture? Not agriculture, but aquaculture. Might be a clue in the word aqua. Number 3, why are rivers and waterfalls important to the Northeast region? Okay, I think we're ready. So I'm going to go back and scroll to products and natural resources. Okay. All right, so it's going to start on page 3 on the right bottom hand corner. Okay, products and natural resources. The Northeast region has many forests and logging is important industry there. I think that might have been a question. So what I'm going to do is get my handy dandy highlighter, okay? And I'm going to highlight it. Let's see, where is that? Here we are. Let me see. I chose the wrong marker. I'm sorry, but can you highlight that area? Okay. All right. I'm going to keep going. Trees are cut down to make houses, paper, furniture, and fuel. Vermont is known throughout the world for its delicious maple syrup produced from the sap of the sugar maple tree. Some of the resources of the Northeast come from underground, like granite, marble, and coal. Granite and marble are used to make buildings. Vermont has the largest granite quarries in the country. I'm going to keep going. So I'm going to go ahead and start right here to the right of the picture, the soil. The soil in parts of the Northeast region is rocky and the growing season is short. But some fruits and vegetables are grown in the Northeast. Farmers grow blueberries and potatoes. Other farms produce chickens, milk from dairy cows, and flowers. Cranberries are grown in sandy marshes in the Northeast region. Massachusetts is called the cranberry capital of America because it produces nearly 2 million barrels of cranberries a year, which are used to make juice and cranberry sauce. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and look at this picture. Holy moly, you can see all the cranberries. Cranberries grow in damp bogs and soft marshy areas. Most cranberries are harvested when growers flood their bogs and use harvesting machines that loosen the cranberries from the vine. With small air, I think it's supposed to be pockets in their center, cranberries float to the water surface. Growers coral the berries, and then conveyors lift them from the bog into trucks and then to processing plants. Okay. All right, I'm going to keep moving down now to the second paragraph where it says the Northeast region. The Northeast region has many rivers and waterfalls. This was very important in the growth of the region because the power produced by the running water made it possible for people to build mills or factories. By using water-driven power, people could run machines, make things much faster than people could at home by hand. Wow, that is pretty cool. So go ahead, and if you can see mine, let's highlight all of that, okay? Because that gives us a lot of great information. So now we've learned that forest and water is very much necessary in this region. Okay, once you've highlighted that, I'm going to keep going, starting with today. Today, factories use other sources of power instead of water power, but the Northeast region continues to be an important manufacturing center in the United States. Iron, glass, steel, and many chemicals such as shampoos, paints, and medicines are manufactured in the Northeast. The Atlantic Ocean is an important resource for fish, lobster, and shellfish. Once these shellfish are caught, they are shipped to food stores and restaurants all over the country. Fish farming is called aquaculture. Okay, so let's highlight that. Fish farming is called aquaculture. Fish are raised on farms and are sold in stores and restaurants as food. This helps protect the populations of fish that are born in a natural environment. So it kind of tells you why the culture is in there. So aqua is because they are fish and water animals, and culture is because they are raised on farms. Pretty neat. And we have in this caption to the right, lobsters are harvested year-round in Maine, although most are caught between late June and late December when the lobsters are most active. All right, very cool. All right, so I'm going to go back to the questions. I'm going to read them one more time, just so you have them. Okay, so again, now we've answered the before, we're going to answer the after. True or false? Number one, the Northeast region has very few forests. Number two, the Northeast region has many rivers and waterfalls. Number three, the soil in parts of the Northeast is very rocky. All right, and for a short answer, what kinds of foods are grown in the Northeast region? Don't forget our cranberries. Couple fruits were listed. Number two, what is aquaculture? And number three, why are rivers and waterfalls important to the Northeast region? Okay, so that is it for this section. And don't forget, this is a video. I hope you loved it. You can stop, rewind, or fast forward, whatever you need to do. Thank you, and I'll see you later. Bye.